So, hey Sig, so kamusta? What do we expect from you dito sa gagawing concert ngayon?
I'm expecting, I'm really thankful kasi nagpakita na kami kanina for a sound check lang. And grabe yung sigawan, grabe yung hiyawan. Kaya I'm expecting that again. And hopefully just a bit loud kasi syempre more people.
Of course, you are paired with Heart. So, you are paired with Heart Ryan, di ba? Doon sa teleserye niya before. Makikita rin ba rito yung pagiging or meron mga abangan na parang duet or pakilig sa mga fans?
Sadly, Heart's not gonna be here for the event. Pero, you guys are gonna see me naman, and I'm gonna be, performing with my other co-artists sa LU. So you guys are gonna be seeing that. Don't worry.
Ano lang yung di alam ng ibang tao sa'yo o ng fans? Sino si Sig behind the scene or behind the camera? Kasi parang nakita namin during the press con, very seryoso, parang madalang umiti, di ba? Pero in real life, sino si Sig?
Si Zeke is just this normal student lang who's focused on his studies. And actually, mahiyaan ko talaga ako. So, challenge din maging supremo. Kasi isip mo, pupunta ka sa room, tapos sisigaw ka, tapos minsan, kukunin mo kukuha ka si Jante, tapos gaganunin mo na lang kasi president ako. Nakita sa trailer. Hindi po ako ganun. Mahiyaan ako na guy, to be honest. Focuses on school, gym, and work.
Pero kamusta naman yung career mo ngayon? Kung ba ngayon na binibigyan ka ng malaking break ng Viva, di ba? Paired with Heart Ryan. Ano yung gusto mong makilala ka ng mga fans mo?
Firstly, it's going great. I'm waiting for the fans. Grabe yung reactions nila, yung response sa mga episodes. Nakikita ko yun guys and thankful ako. Pero, sorry, what's the second question?
Ano yung gusto mo makilala ka nila?
Ang gusto ko na naman makilala.
Dramatic actor ba? Or parang serious guy of person?
Hopefully, I get seen as a versatile, hardworking artist. That's all.
Pero ikaw, kung bibigyan kayo ng chance ni Heart Ryan na magkaroon ng movie, ano yung genre yung gusto nyong ipakita sa tao, sa mga fans niyo? Yung first movie na ilalabas kayong dalawa.
Kung movie, well, I guess the obvious answer is, kung natuwa sila sa Hellu because yung chemistry ng ni Heart, I guess the obvious answer would be romance.
Romance. Romantic comedy or romantic drama?
Romantic comedy. Kasi, to be honest, hirap po kasi ako umiyak or sa mga romantic scenes. Pero, I prefer more romantic na comedy. Kasi may mga funny scenes sa Hellu.
How do you find her, si Heart Ryan? Siyempre, mas nakikilala mo daw yung kapareha mo pag nagkakasama kayo in one project. How do you find her? Kumbaga.
I find her great. She's perfect. As in, grabe. Hindi po ako na, kapag kunyari may mga scenes kami, I can see she's very hardworking, she's very smart. Kaya pag may mga scenes, very easy. Ako pa nga yung feeling ko na nagpapahirap pag mga eksena, sometimes I struggle. Pero yeah, Heart's great. Wouldn't choose anyone else.
Siyempre, maraming kinikilig sa inyo, di ba? At laging tinatanong namin to sa mga magka-love team. Is there a possibility na yung love team ay maging makatotohanan in real life?
Okay.
Is she a girlfriend material? Or is she kumbaga, ideal girl for you? Parang ganyan.
Well,
What's something special about her? Parang ganyan.
something special about Heart is that she's a sweetheart. She's just very kind. On and off, she said, very kind, very sweet, very caring. Just sweet.
Is she a girlfriend material? If given,
I would say if you ask that question to anybody else, they would say na girlfriend material siya. She's a girlfriend material to everybody.
Tapos, sa marami rin nagsasabi, dahil sa aura mo, dahil sa pagiging magaling mo umarte, you'll be the next leading man ng Viva. Ano lang masasabi mo doon? Dahil hindi ka naman kakikitaan ni Boss Vic bibigyan ng chance na i-pair with Heart Ryan kung wala nakikita, you'll be the next leading man.
Gets ko naman yan. I'm very thankful to Boss Vic, to bosses, to Viva in general. Kasi, ayun nga, I guess may nakita talaga siya sa akin kasi ginawa nila ko lead. Pero the next leading man, me personally, it's really hard to say kasi there are so many great artists, male artists out there. And me personally, I think,
Mahihain ka talaga, no?
they're really great. Kaya I don't know kung I'm gonna be that guy. Pero we'll see. I don't know.
If given a chance, sino yung mga gusto mo makasama sa Viva? Yung mga big artist ng Viva? Girl,
Big artist ng Viva na girl.
gusto mo makasama in one project?
I think yung mga dati kong naka-work in the past. I think yung mga sa Mutya, I would want to work with them again. Kasi
Particularly,
na-miss ko rin sila.
Ashton.
Ano pa rin si Ashley, or yung mga, kaya, the Section E guys, ayun din. Or kahit yung mga other girls like sila Angela, the great artists. And yeah, kasi na-miss ko rin sila eh. I don't really hang out with them often. Ngayon ko lang sila nakasama ulit. So yeah.
What's next to you sa inyo ni Heart Ryan after that teleserye?
For now,
Ngayon ongoing o tapos na yung shoot nyo?
ongoing, tapos na po yung shoot pero ongoing yung episode.
Yung episode,
Yeah,
what's
pero-
next? Meron na bang plano sa
For
inyo?
now, I can't say. Wala pa po akong idea. Pero we'll see.
Baka next movie na.
I don't know.
Please invite them dun sa ongoing show ninyo.
What's up guys? It's Zeke, playing as Ace Regional University. Please watch. I'm in Vivo right now. See you.
Thank you.